Hi children, this is Punnagan English Medium School from Vidapur Colony, Gulbarga. We are providing English online classes to all our students. As pandemic is going on, no one are unable to come school. In this situation, we have decided we should not discontinue our teaching. So we plan online classes for our students. I hope every students will be cooperate to us. We can learn something in these critical situations. So last in grade 1 we have discussed what is EVS, and we have taught our what is EVS and world around us, and also about environment. So now this is Vijayananjana from English Punnagan English Medium School. I am going to teach EVS. I hope everyone be fine and healthy. So thank you students. So today we are going to learn EVS chapter. So before going to learn, I will ask one question to you. Give the answer. What do you mean by EVS? This is also we have taught in our grade 1. So now tell me, what do you mean by EVS? Yes, very good students. So EVS means environmental studies. What? Environmental studies. You see here EVS means environmental studies. This is the full form of EVS. Shortly we are telling that is EVS. Yes or no? Understood? Yes. Environmental studies. So student, in grade 1 we have learnt about our plants. These are also our living things, and what is non-living things we have already learned in grade 2. So can anyone tell me, if you will open your door or if you will open your window, what will observe outside? Yes. Anyone? Anyone, can you raise your hand? You can say yes. Suddenly we will observe, that is called plants, or we can say trees also. Yes. Yes. Other also we can saw, that is we can observe different types of houses, different types of other things also, which are living and non-living, both we can say. But suddenly our eye will be see that different types of plants. Yes. So today there are not one type of plants are there. Yes or no? So there are not one type of plants are there on our environment. So do you see plants are everywhere? Yes or no? Yes, plants are everywhere. Wherever you are looking, everywhere are plants are there. It may be small plant, it may be big plant, but plants are everywhere. So we know for that our planet is called blue planet. Yes or no? Yes. Some plants are big, some are small, some are huge, and some are thin also. See, it is a small plant, it is a big plant. Some are tall and some are short also. Some plants are very small plant. These plants are, it is a plant, it is very small. It is a plant, it is a very big plant. Yes or no? So this is the small, this is the big. Yes or no? So this is the small and this is the big plant. And some are old and some are young. Yes or no? How now you are the young children, it means you are very small kids. So you are young, but you look at your grandma, grandfather. So they are very old. So like this in our plant also, there are some old plants are there and some are the young plants are there. Yes or no? Are you getting? Yes, very good. So like this, there are different types of plants are there on our environment or on our earth. So now today we will going to learn types of plant. Yes, types of plant. That is types of plant. How many types of plants are there on the environment, on our environment? We are going to learn. Yes. So there are different types of plants are there. According to their height, according to their size, according to their thick, we divided different parts of plants. What? Different types of plants. So first is I will tell you one I will tell you that is trees. What? Trees. In these words we are using day to day life. Yes or no? Trees. This is first is tree. Second is shrubs. 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 Third is herbs. 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 Fourth is creepers. Yes. Fifth is climbers. Yes or no? Understood? Yes. So first is tree. One is tree. Second is shrubs. Third is herbs. Fourth is creepers. First is tree. Second is shrubs. Third is herbs. Fourth is creepers. And fifth is climbers. Understood? So there are 5 types of plants are available in our environment. So today we will discuss about first 3, that is trees, shrubs and herbs. Understood? Yes. Very good. So first we will discuss about trees. What do you mean by trees and which plant we can say this is the trees? So look at carefully. Trees are tall and big plants with hard and thick woody stems. So trees are telling what? Trees are tall and big plants with hard and thick woody stems. Tall or big? Tall means it is very large plant, and hard means when you will touch it, you will feel it is very hard. You might have observed in your home, you just feel it. When you will touch the bread, you will feel very smooth. But when you will, at the same time, when you will touch the any other kind of biscuit or coconut, you will feel that it is hard. So this is kind of nature is called hard. So hard and thick. Thick means it's very thick in nature. See, I will tell you one thing. That is one paper. It is very thin. Okay. If I will hold at a time, this is called thick in nature. So like this, trees are hard. Trees are tall, big plant with hard and thick woody stems. Woody means woody like in nature. So this is called tree. The trees have one main stem called trunk. So the trees have one main stem is called trunk. And next one, trees are live for many years. Trees are live for many years. Many years means it may be 100 years, it may be 150 years, it may be 200 years, it may be 40 years. So this is called many years. So first thing, trees are tall, big plant and hard and thick woody stems, and the tree have one main stem is called trunk. Main one stem. I will show you one example. See, here figure is there. It is a tree. Think it is a tree. Here this is the roots part inside the soil. and this is the main stem. This main stem is called trunk. What? Trunk. Okay, this is the branches and leaves part. So this is part is called trunk of a tree. Yes or no? Understood? Yes. Trees live for many years. This one, which trees are very big and very big in size, these are called live for many years. It may be 100 years, it may be 150 years, like this. Understood? So now can anyone tell me the some of the example of trees? Yes. Okay, tell me which are trees are big? Yes, students. Yes, first tree is mango. Yes. For example also I am given mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, like this. So these type of trees are very big in size, very hard and thick woody stem also. You might have saw in your field, in your home or other places on our environment. Yes or no? Yes. So this type of plants we can say this is the tree. Yes or no? Yes. So now you see a figure. It is a tree. Yes or no? It is a tree. From here to here, this stem is one big stem is called trunk. What? Trunk. So this is the branch part and this is the leaf part. So and it is looks like very big. So this kind of plant is called trees. It is comes under trees. Understood everybody? Yes. Trees. Understood? Very good. Any doubt? Yes or no? Yes. All plants are not look alike. All plants are not same. How we are? See, in your classroom there are many students are there. Are every faces are same? No. So all plants like this similarly. No, all plants are not same. They are different from each other. How you are different from each other? You are different, your friend is different according to your height, according to your color, according to your body. So we are different. Same as plants are according to their branch, according to their size, according to their height. They all are different from each other. So these things we will learn more. First, now we discussed trees. Yes or no? Next, we will go for shrubs. What? Shrubs. SHRUBs. So this type of plant we will study now. This is shrubs. What? Shrubs. SHRUBs. Yes. Shrubs are smaller than tree, but they are strong. So he is telling smaller than. Shrubs are smaller than tree. What? Shrubs are smaller. What do you mean by smaller? What do you mean by smaller? Smaller means I am giving one example. You see, there are two fingers. See, this two finger or this two finger you see on your hand or on your palm. This two finger. This finger is small. This finger is big. So this finger is smaller than this finger. So like this we are telling this finger is smaller than this finger. Same we are telling shrubs are smaller than the tree, but they are strong. So shrub is one type of plant that is smaller than tree, not like tree but smaller than tree, but they are strong. Means they are strong, not that much weak, but not that much strong also, but it is strong. So they also have woody stem. They also have woody stem, similar to trees. They are medium size plant. They are medium size plant. Medium size means not compared to trees. If trees are very big and very thick, it's half of the tree, means medium size. Yes or no? See, if I will see it is like a tree, it means it is very thick and it is very big, but if I will show this pen compared to this, it is very thin. Yes or no? So this type of called, it's a medium size plant. They are also bushy too. Bushy means I said, you see, this is a, there are many plants are there. One type of plant are one place there are many plants are available. This type of plants is, we can say, bushy. Means in one place there are many plants are there. One place. This is a place. In one place there are many plants. Means 50, 60, 70 or 80 or we can say 10 plants are there. They will grow one place. This type of plant we can say bushy in nature. Bushy. B-U-S-H-Y. Bushy in nature. Yes or no? Yes. Examples are anyone? Yes. Tulsi, rose, lemon, pomegranate, etc. You know the plants? Tulsi, rose. Every student, I think everyone knows this rose plants. Lemon also everyone knows. Lemons are eating. We are eating in our home. So this type of plants comes under shrubs. What? Shrubs. See, it is a rose plant. See, it is a stem. It is also stem, branch part. It is a leaf part. That is flower part. It is stem part. It is root part. And it is a flower part. See, it is the main stem. We can say main stem as trunk. But compared to tree, it is thin, not like tree. Yes or no? This is stem, main stem. It is called trunk also. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Yes or no? This branch also are thin, not compared to that much thick in nature, as like as tree. Yes or no? So these plants comes under shrubs. What? Shrubs. Understood? So once again I am telling, shrubs are very smaller than tree, but they are still strong. They also have woody stems. They are medium sized plant. They also have bushy too. Some example: tulsi, rose, lemon, pomegranate. Yes, this type of tree also can live for many years. Means 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, like this. 2 to 3 years. Or it is approximately, not it is permanent, 2 to 3 years. Some of the shrub like plants, they can live for 2 years, 3 years, or maybe 5 years, maybe 1 year, like this. Yes or no? Understood? Yes. I think everyone understood. So now I will show you what is type of plants comes under shrubs. See, it is a plant. It is comes under shrubs. See, it is main stem. This is the main stem. That main stem is called trunk part. What? Trunk. This is the leaves. When it is a small tree, but when it will grow, it becomes big. It is comes under shrubs. Yes or no? And this is the hair. It will inside the soil. So this type of plant comes under shrubs. They are woody. See, it is woody, and these are also strong, very strong in nature. But they are small compared to tree. Yes or no? Understood, everybody? So this type of plants comes under the shrubs. Understood? Any doubt? Yes. Any doubt if you get, you can ask any time or anywhere to me. Yes. Now we will come to our third. Our third part is herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Third part is herbs. See, this is the herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. So now we will come to know what is herbs. The plants which are smaller than trees and shrubs. The plants which are smaller than. The plants which are smaller than trees and shrubs. I said, what do you mean by smaller? So like this, the plants which are smaller than tree and shrubs. Compared to tree and compared to shrubs which are very small, these type of plants we can say herbs. What? Herbs. So they have soft stem, they have very soft stem and roots. They have very soft stem and roots. They are very weak and they do not grow very high. They are very weak. They are very, this type of plant very weak, and they do not grow very high like tree and herbs. They do not live for a long time. They do not live for long time also, means they will not live for 100 years or 30 years or 1 year. They will only live for 1 month and 2 months. I said all plants are living and they can grow, they can die also like this. This type of plant can live for 1 month, 2 months, it may be 1 week, 2 week, but not much compared to 3 month, 4 month. Yes or no? Yes. So first herb is the plant which are very smaller than trees and shrubs. So which are plant that compared to tree, compared to shrub, which are very less or very thin or small, this is called herbs. They have soft stem. How the tree has very big stem and very thick stem and very strong stem, but compared to tree or compared to shrubs, herbs does not have very big or thick stem. They are very weak, do not grow very high. However, observing coconut tree is very big, but compared to these trees, herb type of tree or plants are very small. Yes or no? They do not live for long time. Understood? Yes. Some example, anyone can give me some example of herbs? Yes. Yes, student, correct. Wheat, paddy means rice. Yes. Tomato, brinjal tree, mustard, sunflower, carrot, ginger. So these type of plants are comes under herbs. So once again I am repeat: wheat, paddy, tomato, mustard, sunflower, carrot and ginger. So these type of plants are comes under the herbs. Yes or no? Yes, yes. In your home or in any other one's garden, you might have seen this type of plants. Means herb type of plants: mustard, sunflower, carrot, wheat, paddy means rice, which are we are eating, tomato, ginger, brinjal. So these type of plants are comes under herbs. Yes or no? See, here is a figure. My figure is not good, but you try to understand. It is a tomato plant. It is a tomato plant. On this plant, it is a root part, it is a stem part, and it is a leaf part. So here fruits are there, tomato are there. Yes or no? It is a flower are there. So you observe, compared to tree and compared to shrubs, these type of plant are very, and stems are very thin and leaves also very small. So this type of plant comes under herbs. Now I am showing one plants. Carefully you see. This is the plants. So it is very small. See, approximately 1 feet or 2 feet. So these are very weak and thin plant. See, their stems, branches, and this, see, it's break down suddenly. So the stem is the main stem, means it is called trunk. The main stem, it is easily break down. So this type of plants comes under herbs. See, very small and very weak also. Everywhere part of our this plant very weak. See, if you will make it, it's weak. See, but this plant is how it is straight and strong. If you do like this, it will not break easily. So this type of plants comes under herbs. Understood everybody? Yes. Now you observe or you think which type of plant you are observing day to day life. Are you observing every types of plants, means shrubs, trees, herbs? Can anyone tell me? Every types of plant are you observing day to day life? Yes, very good. We are observing our day to day life every types of plant. which are trees, which are shrubs, which are herbs, which means some of the tree are very big, some of the tree are very small, some of the tree are medium in size. Yes or no? Very good. So this type of tree herbs are comes under wheat, paddy, rice, tomato, mustard, sunflower, carrot and ginger. So student, now you just tell me how many types of plants are there? 5. First is 5. First is trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. But today we have learnt only 3. Trees, shrubs, herbs. First is tree. This is the tree figure, and the tree is very big and they have a big trunk. They live for long years. Then we will come to shrubs. So shrubs are very smaller than the tree. It is also strong. They have woody stem also. They are medium sized plant. They are also bushy too. Some example of shrubs are tulsi, rose, lemon, pomegranate or other plants also we can say. So etc. So these rose plants, the flower part, the stem part, this is, so they can live 2 to 3 years or 1 year also. So this is called shrubs. Yes or no? Are you getting? Yes. Very good students. Then we will come to our third, that is called herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. The plants which are smaller than tree and shrubs. The plants which are smaller than trees and shrubs is called herbs. So they are soft stem. Just now I said these are soft stem. How it is bending you see easily. So this is the soft stem. They are very weak and do not grow very high. They will not grow very high, not like coconut or mango tree. They are very small tree. Easily we can pluck it. Yes or no, from soil. So they do not live for long life. They will live only for 1 month, 2 months or approximately minimum 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yes or no? Yes. Understood? So there are 5 types of plants are there. First is trees, then shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. So today we have learned trees, shrubs and herbs. Okay. Every day you have to read the books, then you learn more knowledge. What I am teaching in the classroom or through online class, compared to that, when you will read the books, you will get more knowledge. Yes or no? So study well. So I think everyone understood clearly, and who those are not understood properly, you may ask anytime, anywhere. Yes or no? So what we have discussed today, we will once again repeat. Plants are different types: trees, shrubs, herbs and creepers and climbers. This blank, next class I will tell you what are the creepers, what are the climbers. Yes or no? Understood everybody? Yes. Yes. So plants are all plants are different from each other. How we are human beings different from each other, same as in our environment, plants also different from each other. According to their size and height, we divided into different types. Yes or no? Yes. I think everyone understood properly. You have to read the books again and again. Next class we will discuss more about that. Thank you students. Take care. Thank you.